Are we ready?
Okay, puppy racing part 2. We've got Ranger and Lacey. Go ahead, Isabel.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Nice try, Ranger.
Okay, back up, back up, back up. And go. Come on, come on.
Oh, so close.
Oh, that was a tie. That was a tie.
There you guys go. Yeah.
Good job. Emmy, 2 more.
Where are the other 2? Ranger just goes over to a corner.
That's right.
And Lacey just sits where she is.
Has Oreo gone?
Get Peanut. You have 2 more under there?
Yeah, I have 2 more. Chip and Oreo.
Chip and that's it? Where's Peanut?
Peanut's right here.
Chip and Peanut.
Oh, twins! Oh yeah! Yeah! This is gonna be
The twins.
woohoo! Emmy said that there's another pair of twins. 2 black ones.
There's 3 sets of twins.
Oh dang. So that's 6 out of all 9 pups. And the other 3 triplets.
Okay, there's 4 sets of twins. Come on.
8 out of all the 9 pups.
Yeah.
The only one that doesn't have a twin is Griffin.
That's right. You ready?
Poor Griffin.
Chip hit his head.
We're taping.
Well, he's awake.
Sorry. I'm sorry.